welcome back. This is me and I'm back again with a new video all the way from Lake Compounce Campground. And today it's time to explore the Compounce Campground, and so let's get started. In this video we are giving you a full walkthrough of the Lake Compounce Campground, where we just spent a couple of days camping and exploring.
On my skin,
whether you are visiting the Lake Compounce Amusement Park or just looking for a family-friendly camping spot in Connecticut, this campground has a lot to offer. Without further ado, let's get started.
tomorrow there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Check-in was super easy and the staff was welcoming. The campground is clean, quiet, and has everything you need for a comfortable stay.
To see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I
First, let's talk about the bathrooms. They were really clean and very well maintained. Showers are hot and completely free, which is a big plus. They also have a paid laundry room, so if you don't want to take all the clothes that you use during your camping, this is a big plus again. The camp store is open 24/7, stocked with essential snacks, drinks, and even firewood. Super convenient if you forget anything.
well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to live.
Guys, like I said, we stayed at a tent site, and all this tent site had a usual setup. They have this picnic table and a firewood. The sites are a little bit close together, and though if you are looking for total privacy, I think this is just you guys have to keep in mind. And there is a major win actually. On top of that is like we didn't find any mosquitoes or bugs, at least during our stay. So it made our the evening so much better.
Something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live.
This is our tent, and one thing about this campground, bathroom is a little bit far from our tent, and every tent site the bathroom is a little bit far. They have one common bathroom, and it's a store. We need to walk all the way to the store, maybe around 5 minutes from here or less. And its site is very close to each other. The site is very close to each other, like our neighboring camper, they are very close. Yes, you can see, and then you can see other campers from our tent. Like there are a few other campers here, very close.
The very improper intro.
No. So what are you eating? Ooh.
Nothing.
So guys, let's talk about the best part. If you camp here, you get early access to the Lake Compounce Amusement Park and no long entry lines, and on top of that you get a free parking and even discounted tickets. Plus, with that ticket, definitely one day is not enough at Lake Compounce Amusement Park. So if you buy a ticket from the campground or camp park, then you get a plus a free ticket to come back to the next day. That's pretty much awesome bonus. Let's talk about few things that might help you or you might need to consider if you are planning to camp at Compounce Campground. First thing is, like, there is a waste management facility right across the campground, maybe a mile away, and you will hear the sound similar to like an exhaust fan 24/7. Especially in the night, you will hear a little bit more louder, and it's 24/7. And the tent sites aren't very private, especially during the busy weekends. Like they are very close to each other. And about the pricing, I think if you just compare all the state parks price, maybe $20, $22, but the price, if you can go check their website, it's around $60 to $80 per night. So you might have to consider this if you are planning to camp at Lake Compounce Campground. Overall, we had a great time here. In facilities, great location, tons of fun at the park. If you're planning a trip to Lake Compounce, this campground is definitely worth considering. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, should you camp here or do you prefer more of the great spots? See you in the next adventure.